In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a page. When you log on to your website, you'll want to go to the Pages panel. Then select the page that you want to edit. In this case, we'll go to the Overview page and select that. Then you'll want to move your mouse over into the right-hand area of the screen, and that will bring up your editor menu. So we'll click Edit. Now you're inside the text editor. At this point, you can make any text changes you like. And if you make some text changes and you decide you want to undo those, you can either do Command Z or you can hit this undo button on the toolbar at the top. You might also decide to move some elements around, in which case, in this example, you want to grab the element that you want to move, hold your mouse down, and then as you move over the different elements that are already on the page, you'll see either a gray box show up that's going to place it in line with the existing element, or you'll see this black bar show up, and that means it's going to put it in between those places. I'm actually not going to move that around, so I'll just drop it back where it was. Then when you're done making changes, you'll just click Save. If you want to make a lot of changes to a page, I recommend making a duplicate of the page first and making all of your changes there on the duplicate. And to do this, you'll go over to the page on the Pages panel and click the gear icon. And this will bring up another editor window where if you go down to the very bottom, you'll see the option to duplicate page. So I'll do that, and I say yes. And the duplicated pages end up in the not linked section. So here it is. And I can double click that, and of course it doesn't look like anything's changed on the right side of the screen because it is an exact copy. But here's where I could make more extensive changes without impacting what's happening on the live site. Or I should say in a way that someone who might be on the site currently would see. Be sure if you do this then that you change the name of the page to what the current one is, and what you'll have to do here is change the current one. I usually name it like old or previous or something like that, and then name the new one what the current one is. I know it sounds a little confusing, but you're basically going to want to replace exactly that page. So in this case, I would name this old, and then this bottom one here I would name Overview because that's the current name right now. And the other thing you'll want to make sure you do is change the slug. And the URL slug is down here back on this settings panel, and it's over here. And usually when you duplicate a page, it will add a -1, or if there's several pages that might already have a -1 or -2, it'll just number those consecutively. So you'll want to also update your URL slug to match what the current page is.